Is Mega stuck syncing, or are your files not appearing across devices? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most common fixes, from checking your internet connection and sync settings to restarting the app and resolving folder issues. Let's troubleshoot it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is working normally. Open a browser and load a few websites or run a quick connection test. If your connection is unstable, Mega may pause or delay synchronization. Try switching networks or restarting your router if necessary. Next, open the Mega desktop app and check the current sync status. Look for paused, stopped, or error messages. If syncing has been paused, resume it and give the app a moment to process the changes. If there's an error, note the message because it can point directly to the problem. Now check your sync configuration. Make sure the local folder is still connected to the correct Mega Cloud folder. If a folder was moved, renamed, deleted, or disconnected, synchronization may stop working as expected. So carefully review both the local and cloud locations before changing anything. Another thing to check is available storage and folder permissions. If your Mega account is out of space, new files may not sync. Also make sure Mega has permission to access the local folder. On macOS or Windows, review the relevant privacy, security, or folder access settings if needed. If everything looks correct, try restarting Mega. Fully close the desktop application, wait a few seconds, and open it again. This can refresh the connection and restart a stalled synchronization process. Yeah, it sounds simple, but it can solve temporary sync problems surprisingly often. Finally, look for file conflicts, invalid paths, or unsupported file situations, and make sure you're running a current version of the Mega app. If a particular file keeps causing problems, temporarily move a copy outside the sync folder and check whether synchronization continues. This can help identify the troublesome file. And that's how to troubleshoot Mega when it isn't syncing. Check your connection, review the sync status and folder configuration, verify storage and permissions, restart the app, and investigate conflicts or outdated software. If the problem continues, use Mega's official support resources for the specific error. Hopefully, your files are syncing normally again.